ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಿಲಾಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ REMAIN. Okay. R is consonant. E is vowel. M is consonant. A vowel. E I vowel. Then N is consonant. Yes. Okay, children. How many vowels are here? How many consonants are here? 3 vowels are here. 3 consonants are here. Okay. How many syllables in this word?
3 syllables.
Yes. According to the first rule, 3 syllables in this the word. 3 syllables. But it is wrong. Because second rule what said that A and I is continuous vowel. Is it right? So continuous vowels, 2 vowels equal 1 syllable. So that reason remain word is 2 syllable word. 2 syllable word. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now move to the next examples to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
List of words. Out. Near.
Teacher.
Read.
Pen.
Binet spelling is DENEATH. B is consonant, E is vowel, N is consonant, E is vowel, A is vowel, T is consonant, H is consonant. Only 2 syllables here. Out. Out spelling is OUT. Out. O is vowel, U is vowel, T is consonant. This out is 1 syllable word. O and U. Good spelling is GOOD. G consonant, O vowel, D consonant. Good is syllable. Green spelling GREN. G is consonant, R is consonant, E is vowel, N is consonant. Green 1 syllable. School spelling is SCHOOL. School. S is consonant, C is consonant, H is consonant, O is vowel, L is consonant. School is 1 syllable word. Again spelling is AGAIN. A is vowel, G is consonant, A is vowel, I is vowel, N is consonant. Again is 2 syllable word. Between spelling is DETWEN. Between. D is consonant, E is vowel, T is consonant, W is consonant, E is vowel, N is consonant. Between 2 syllable word.
Pen spelling is PIN. Pen is P is consonant, A is vowel, I is vowel, N is consonant. 1 syllable pen. Around spelling AROUND. Around. A is vowel, R is consonant, O is vowel, U is vowel, N is consonant, T is consonant. 2 syllable word.
Food spelling FOOD. Food. F is consonant, O is vowel, D is consonant. Food is 1 syllable word.
Very.
Sweet is 1 syllable word. Wood is 1 syllable word. Heart is 1 syllable word. Beat is 1 syllable word. Moon is 1 syllable word. Poor is 1 syllable word. All these words continuous vowels.
Week is 1 syllable word. Week is 1 syllable word. Book is 1 syllable word. Deer is 1 syllable word. Beer is 1 syllable word. Beer is 1 syllable word. All these words continuous vowels.
Chief is 1 syllable word. Noun is 1 syllable word. Queen is 1 syllable word. Should is 1 syllable word. Peel is 1 syllable word. Meat is 1 syllable word. Meat is also 1 syllable word. All these words are monosyllable words.